Hey there, tool lovers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just someone looking for game-changing tools for everyday tasks, today's video is packed with some seriously cool finds that will make your life easier. Let's dive into the 10 must-have tools on Amazon. Number 1. The Vever Farm Jack is a powerhouse with a 7,000-pound lifting capacity and a range of 4.13 to 40.74 inches. It's built for tough jobs, whether you're lifting farm equipment, moving heavy stumps, or even handling off-road vehicles. With its 48-inch lifting space, it's super versatile, working not just on cars and trucks but also doubling as a handy winch. Built to last, the Jack is crafted from steel parts with a hot-dip galvanized finish to resist rust and wear. To keep it in top shape, cleaning and applying rust-resistant oil after use is a smart move. Operating it feels easy, thanks to a long 750mm handle that gives great leverage, and its wide base prevents sinking. It's precise, stable, and has thoughtful features like a non-slip handle and a ratchet mechanism that locks into place. From tire changes to tree pulling, it's a tool you can count on. Number 2. The Furniture Dolly is a heavy-duty tool that makes moving furniture and appliances effortless. Crafted from thickened carbon steel, it boasts impressive durability with a reinforced steel base and widened silent rubber wheels that glide smoothly without scratching the floor. Its long pry bar saves you effort, making lifting heavier objects easier and more manageable. For added protection, the pry bar and dolly panels come equipped with self-adhesive anti-slip pads that keep items secure and protect them from scratches during lifting or transport. The upgraded design includes a larger load-bearing panel, a fifth central wheel to boost capacity, and an L-shaped retaining edge to prevent items from slipping off. It's a versatile tool suitable for beds, tables, appliances, and more, with locking switches for stability and a tow hook handle that protects your fingers. Whether on wood, tile, or low-pile carpet, this dolly gets the job done efficiently. Number 3. The Bielmeier electric staple gun is a versatile 2-in-1 tool, combining a cordless stapler and a brad nailer. It comes with 1,200 staples and 400 nails, so you can start your projects right away. This compact and lightweight tool, weighing just 1.6 pounds, can handle various materials like fabric, foam, leather, and softwood, making it perfect for upholstery, DIY crafts, and minor home repairs. It's cordless, so you don't have to deal with compressors or hoses, and it can shoot up to 850 staples per charge, firing 50 pins per minute. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a quick-release magazine and a transparent window to monitor staple levels. Safety is also top-notch with 3 safety switches and an LED indicator for ready-to-use status. The built-in lithium-ion battery charges fully in just 2 hours using a USB Type-C cable, ensuring you have a reliable and efficient tool at your disposal. Number 4. The Scepter Flow & Go 14-gallon powered fueling station is a portable gas caddy designed for convenience and efficiency. It's perfect for farm work, marine use, lawn care, and more, allowing you to easily refuel vehicles, boats, or equipment. With a large 14-gallon capacity and sturdy 6-inch wheels, it's built for mobility and durability. The powered fuel transfer pump operates quickly, delivering fuel at up to 4.7 GPM with 8 AA batteries or 6.0 GPM with an optional AC power cable. The patented handle mimics a gas station-style stop and start, while a 10-foot rubber hose ensures you can reach equipment effortlessly. Designed for safety, it's DOT certified, CARB and EPA compliant, with features like a self-venting cap and anti-static construction. Whether using gravity, siphon mode, or the pump, this spill-proof and user-friendly fueling station makes refueling hassle-free and reliable for various scenarios. Number 5. The Bostitch Office Personal Electric Pencil Sharpener is a handy little device designed for efficiency and durability. Its hardened helical cutter provides up to 4 times the cutting life of typical sharpeners, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. With a stall-free, powerful motor, you can say goodbye to frustration while sharpening pencils. Its compact design makes it a great fit for home offices or tight spaces, ensuring it won't clutter up your desk. Safety is well thought out too. Thanks to the safety switch, the sharpener won't operate unless the tray is engaged, protecting users from accidental mishaps. Speaking of the tray, it's generously sized to hold plenty of shavings, which means less frequent emptying. From students to professionals, This electric sharpener offers a smart and practical solution for anyone looking for precise, hassle-free sharpening in a convenient, user-friendly package. Simple, safe, and highly effective. Number 6. The Klein Tools long nose locking pliers are built for precision and power, making them perfect for demanding tasks. With a secure hold and high locking force, these pliers ensure your work stays steady and reliable. The molded grips provide all-day comfort, so even long hours of use won't cause hand fatigue. Designed for safety, the pinch-free, lever-less quick-release handles make operation smooth and hassle-free. Adjusting the size is effortless with the thumb knob, allowing for quick changes on the go. Featuring a rust-preventative coating, these pliers stay protected against corrosion for long-lasting durability. The hardened teeth offer exceptional gripping power and high torque, giving you confidence in every task. The long nose design makes it ideal for accessing tight spaces, ensuring precision where regular pliers might fall short. A great addition to any toolbox, these pliers bring comfort, strength, and adaptability to your work. Number 7. The Dreyu Digital LCD Edge Banding Iron Set is a precision tool designed to handle wood edge banding projects with ease. It features a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, displayed on a digital LCD screen, ensuring you can accurately control the heat for optimal results. Switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit is simple. Just press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and the intuitive interface lets you adjust the temperature effortlessly. The ergonomic handle, made from high-quality TPR material, ensures comfort and secure grip during prolonged use, while the 13-inch length allows for great maneuverability, even in tight spaces and around curves. This iron comes with 3 cotton socks that protect surfaces from scratches and maintain durability. Its compact design includes a 110-volt power cord for reliable performance and a metal stand for easy storage. It's versatile, efficient, and perfect for delivering professional-grade results in edge banding tasks. Number 8. The Deluxe Plus MIG welding pliers are a multifunctional tool tailored for welding tasks and spatter cleanup. It features a slag hammer chipper side designed to effortlessly remove leftover slag and debris after welding, while its flat hammer with a scraper edge takes care of quick spatter removal. The fine and coarse file nose is perfect for scraping the inner nozzle, ensuring precision and cleanliness. Constructed with induction-hardened cutting, chipper, and scraper edges, this tool is built to withstand heavy-duty use and provide exceptional durability. Its ergonomic comfort grip ensures a secure and fatigue-free hold, even during extended periods of work. The inclusion of a retention chain adds a practical touch, keeping the tool accessible and safe. Designed with an 8-inch length for optimal control, these pliers are an essential companion for welding enthusiasts, combining versatility, durability, and user-friendly features for professional-grade results. Number 9. The Squeeze-Off Plumbing Tool is a lifesaver when it comes to quick emergency repairs. This adjustable hand instrument is designed to instantly clamp pipes and stop water flow during temporary cuts, making it ideal for preventing leaks or minimizing damage. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to handle, whether you're at home or on the job. Made from high-grade steel alloy, it's built to last with its durable, wear-resistant, and anti-rust properties, ensuring strong and reliable performance every time. The comfortable rubber grip adds to its ease of use, giving you a secure hold even during tough jobs. It's designed to handle pipes up to 0.125 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various applications. Compact in size at 7.5 by 2.7 by 1.2 inches and weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's easy to carry around or store until you need it. It's efficient, practical, and gets the job done without hassle. Number 10. The Duratec Ratcheting Flare Nut Wrench Set is an excellent addition to any toolbox, built for durability and efficiency. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, it can handle tough jobs while resisting wear and corrosion. The high-polish finish makes cleaning off grease and dirt a breeze, ensuring the wrenches stay in top condition. The adjustable 6-point head is a clever design upgrade, allowing you to lock onto flare nuts easily. With the ratchet function, you can avoid constantly removing and resetting the wrench, making your work smoother and more efficient. This set includes 5 popular sizes: 10mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, and 17mm, so you'll always have the right tool for the job. It comes with a handy organizer pouch that not only keeps everything in one place, but also has the sizes printed on it for easy access. This set is versatile, reliable, and simple to use,